Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video, the Jamaican guide here. Today I'm going to show you how to properly jumpstart a car. Okay, so there are many ways of doing stuff. Sometimes we do some things and it work, but not because it work means that is the correct way or the best way. Anyhow, when it comes down to getting a jump start or giving somebody a jump start, I'm going to show you the right way or the better way. So come in now, I'm going to show you what time it is. Okay, so when jump starting a car, bus, or van, or truck, as long as this is a single battery unit, meaning the vehicle use one battery, unlike some vehicles that use two battery, this is how you go about it. So if you take a close look at your screen, you will see a diagram showing you all you need to know. Okay, so people, please don't laugh at my diagram. I made it myself. Alright, so if you look at the screen, you see you notice that the dead car is on the left and the live one is on the right. Okay, so what you would need to do is you would need to connect the red wires from the jumper cable to the positive terminal and the battery of the live car, and you would do the same to the dead car, that is the one on the left. And then you would connect. This is where the difference comes in now. This is where the difference, a lot of people do this. Don't do this, don't do it like this. So you would connect the black wire from the jumper cable to the neutral or the negative side on the battery and in the live car, and then you would now connect the other end to the chassis of the dead car, not the negative end or the neutral end side of the battery inside of the dead car. You would connect it on the chassis, a piece of unpainted metal. This is the difference. A lot of people connect it to the neutral side and the battery inside of the dead car, but I wouldn't recommend that. You understand what I say? So this is the proper way. This is how you do it. Proper way of doing it. I've known this method from about 2016, yeah, and up till now in 2021, I still see people doing it the wrong way. So this is how you really do it. So before connecting jumper cables, you would need to make sure that ignitions are turned off on both cars, and then you connect the jumper cables. Then you start the live car first, then you start the dead car after. When disconnecting jumper cables, you remove the black wire from the chassis, and then you remove the other end from the neutral of the live car. Then you remove the red wire from the live part of the battery and the dead car, which is a live car now because it has been started, and then you remove the other end. You would need to drive the dead car for at least 15 minutes for the battery to properly get charged. And you should be able to use a car and give like a jump start to like maybe a small truck or a bus or something like that. Don't mean say it have to definitely be a car to car jump start. I've seen cases where guys use bikes and give jump starts to car, believe me. Okay, so if you have to give a jump start any other way, if you give a jump start any other way, sorry, apart from this, you might risk damaging your fuses, sensors, your battery, your jumper cable, and guess what? There could even be an explosion, believe me. That's why a lot of people don't like to give jump starts. You see, when dealing with electricity, the black wire, which is the neutral or the negative, acts like a return. That's why if you notice, the black wire isn't fully connected to both batteries, because when the current returns, a lot of stuff can happen. So guys, if you have to give a jump start, do it like this, because you can transfer electrical problems from one vehicle to another. Feel free to do your own research also to confirm. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video. Until next time, stay safe.
So just eggs are. Yeah.
Yeah.